Welcome back to the show, guys. Today we are combining coffee and tiki. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. No, I don't. I don't have a problem. Alright, so I'm pretty sure you guys have guessed it. We are talking about Mr. Bali Hai. So, if you haven't checked out our Coffee Liqueur video, make sure you click that link, go check that out, and come back here because we are using our homemade coffee liqueur to make this amazing coffee tiki cocktail that was first invented on Shelter Island in San Diego, California at the Mr. Bali Hai Restaurant. So, 1.5 ounces of aged dark rum goes into our glass. After that, we're going to do an ounce of white rum. I'm probably not using the original rums here, but these are just rums that I love. So we started with our Havana Club 7, and now we're doing an ounce of Wray & Nephew Overproofed, because Wray & Nephew is amazing. After that, we want 3/4 ounce of our homemade coffee liqueur. You can use any coffee liqueur you want here. Mr. Black would work great. I've even done this with Kahlua, although if you do Kahlua, tone down the syrup, because it's already quite sweet. My liqueur here, if you've seen my video, is much drier than the Kahlua. After that, we're doing 1.5 ounce of pineapple juice. Look at that funky color. A lot of tiki drinks, I think that's why they're served in ceramic mugs, so that you don't notice the not so pretty color of the drink. I don't mind it though. 1 ounce of lemon juice, and then lastly, 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. And that's what I mentioned earlier. If you are using Kahlua or a sweeter coffee liqueur, you can probably omit that ingredient. But mine, like I said, mine is pretty dry, so we're adding that little bit of simple syrup. All right, we're topping off with some crushed ice. This is a tiki drink. Most tiki drinks, crushed ice, right? All right, quick shake. It's crushed ice. You don't have to shake too much. Now, this drink is actually typically served with its own proprietary mug, which is a recreation of a statue found at the restaurant. I don't have that, so I'm using this just this tiki glass here. You can use any tiki glass or tiki mug that you might have. All right, we're topping off with crushed ice and onto garnish. This is a tiki drink, so we will go a little crazy with the garnish. So first, let's get a straw in there. We're gonna do some pineapple fronds. I think whenever you're using pineapple in your drink, this is kind of an indicator. Put some pineapple fronds. We're also gonna put a pineapple chunk. Nice little tasty treat. And some maraschino cherries, why not? And then since this is a coffee drink, we're also gonna add a few coffee beans on there. Like I said, it's a tiki drink. Go nuts, put an umbrella in there, put an edible flower. There's no such thing as over garnishing a tiki drink. Look at that. And there it is, guys. There is, one more. There is the Mr. Bali Hai Tiki Cocktail with coffee liqueur. Such an amazing, flavorful drink. Right away, the richness of the rum, the dark rum, the white overproofed rum, the sweetness from the pineapple juice, the tartness, and then that coffee flavor hits you and it lingers on the finish, and you really get that coffee flavor. It just works well with everything. It works really well. So I hope you give this one a try, guys. We'll see you next time. Cheers.